Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today we will see unboxing and review of this tea light holder. So it's very nice. As you can see, it is kind of Arabic style tea light holder. Okay, it is made in India. And it is from Pan Emirates. It is the name is Milaray Lantern. Okay, size is about 10 times 9 times 15 centimeter. Color is gold blue. And it will look like this. So it is having this glass lights. Okay, that's the glass light, and having beautiful design on top of this, and you can hang it on trees or somewhere if wherever you want to hang it. Let me go with the so this is the tea light candle. Now you have this tea light holder. Just place this onto this, and then you can put it and rotate it so that it will not fall out. So as you can see, there is in this tea light holder you have given these slots. Okay, so this slot will be the locking slot. So as you can see, this will be the locking slot, and this locking slot will help you to fix it into this parts that we have. So placing the light, and it will look like this. So very nice lighting effect you can get for your bedroom, or let's say if you want to hang it, this will work like this. If you are moving it, let's say if the air is coming, it's fine, it is stable. The tea light is stable, it is not falling off. So that's nice. The quality is nice. It is of metal, and the thing is that I'm not getting the blue color from this. So even if I see it in the dark, so the blue color is got diminished from so you can just paint it over here if you want some other kind of color. So that's it's overall nice tea light holder for your decorative purpose. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit a like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.